sincerely thank the distinguished Indian customers for visiting EagerLED Company. Your arrival brings us great honor. First, we take you into the LED screen showroom of EagerLED Company, showing our most advanced LED technology and diversified product series. The specially introduced indoor LED screen demonstrates its high definition, excellent color reproduction and excellent visual effects, and has been highly recognized by customers. We have been committed to providing customers with an excellent visual experience through technological innovation, and your attention and recognition are the best rewards for our continuous efforts. Later, we went to the LED aging workshop to show you the strict quality control during the production process. We pay attention to every detail to ensure that every LED screen can operate stably and reliably, providing customers with an excellent user experience.